Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? Many congratulations, my brothers. I have a two good news for all Chainlink holders. And the first good news, my friend, is that to the price is urgently wake up and get a very huge profit. As you can see, my friend, this time 4% profit in last 12 hours. So I think that is not a small pump. Absolutely, it's very huge because the prices there is not big difference in the highest and the current price. So I hope, my friends, today will completely hit 35 USD dollar. This is our target, my friends, but absolutely this is possible if they will get 10% profit. So I hope, my friends, today will get starting moving upward more and more and get a 10% profit. But this is only on possible if a short-term investor stops selling and they are starting holding. Otherwise this is impossible. So kindly holders, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. Otherwise we are very badly fails down. So Chainlink holders, one thing more, my friends, in 5th November the very huge explosion is coming soon. Definitely, my friend, very huge explosion, because my brother, when short time investors are starting buying in the start of month, so definitely, my friend, the price will moving up, especially long time investor also investing in the start of month. So therefore it's 100% clear, my friends, to in upcoming time the Chainlink price will be completely going double and moving upward. So I hope, my friends, today will give you a profit, but please don't starting selling and just in only starting buying and, my friend, investing. I hope, my friends, today will make you a millionaire at the end of November. So Allah Hafiz, take care, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you will subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.